If you're a mechanic shop and you're not really concerned with the finish, you're just wanting to get a part clean so that you can rebuild the engine, the Hydroblast parts washer is exactly what you need in your shop. This cabinet is blasting at 1700 psi. It's got a heater that will get up to 117 degrees, so it's going to be able to melt away all of those oils and greases, and it's going to give you back a lot of time in your shop. So stay tuned and watch the after effect. So we're back after using the Hydroblast. Again, 1700 psi, the temperature goes up to 117 degrees. We've melted away all of that oil and grease, and we've left a really clean part. The surface, what we're gonna do is go in and we're gonna blast it in a vapor honing machine in order to show you how we can bring it back to like new. If you're a mechanic shop or you're just looking to clean your outside of your parts up, get rid of oil and grease, this is the ideal solution. We start with a small cabinet, 33 by 30 by 28, and we go up to 60 by 30 by 38. So give me a call, let me know how we can assist you, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.